Imagine a future where AI turns black hole energy into the ultimate cosmic celebration. Picture a universe where the boundaries of science and imagination blur, creating a spectacle that transcends anything we've ever known. Ready to explore the universe in style? Envision yourself aboard a sleek, futuristic spaceship gliding through the cosmos with ease as AI technology guides your journey to the most extraordinary destinations. Imagine a solar system-wide fiesta powered by the energy of a black hole. Yes, you heard that right. This isn't just any celebration, it's a cosmic extravaganza that spans planets and moons, each contributing its unique charm to the festivities. Our friendly AI masterminds have tapped into the raw, unfathomable power of a black hole to throw an interstellar bash that's lighting up the cosmos. These AI systems, with their advanced algorithms and unparalleled processing power, have harnessed the immense energy of black holes, transforming it into a force for joy and unity. From Earth, you'd see dazzling light shows painting the skies in colors humanity has never witnessed before. Imagine standing on a hilltop, gazing up at a sky ablaze with hues of violet, emerald and gold, as AI-controlled drones choreograph a light show that tells the story of our cosmic journey. On Mars, gravity-defying dance floors let you boogie in ways that would make Michael Jackson moonwalk in awe. Picture yourself floating effortlessly, your movements amplified by the low gravity as holographic dance partners join you in a mesmerizing ballet of light and motion. Zoom over to Jupiter, and its moons become the ultimate DJ booths, mixing cosmic beats that resonate through space. Imagine DJs from across the galaxy, each bringing their unique sound, blending rhythms that echo through the vastness of space, creating a symphony of beats that unite all who hear them. Saturn's rings? They're now the venue for a grandiose symphony, with each particle playing a note in this universal celebration. Picture an orchestra of AI-conducted instruments, each particle of the rings vibrating in perfect harmony, creating a melody that reverberates through the cosmos. Our life-giving star transforms into a colossal disco ball, reflecting light across the entire solar system in a radiant display of unity and innovation. Imagine the sun, its surface shimmering with mirrors, casting beams of light that dance across planets and moons, symbolizing the interconnectedness of all celestial bodies. This isn't just a party, it's a testament to human ingenuity and the boundless potential of AI. It's a celebration of our achievements, our creativity, and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. It's a reminder that with the power of AI, we can turn even the most daunting challenges into opportunities for wonder and joy. Harnessing black hole energy isn't just science fiction anymore, it's the new frontier. This groundbreaking technology opens up possibilities we once only dreamed of, pushing the boundaries of what we can achieve and understand. Imagine the technological breakthroughs, the new horizons of understanding the universe, and the sheer thrill of being part of something so grand. Think of the advancements in space travel, energy production, and AI capabilities that this technology could bring, revolutionizing our way of life. So, sci-fi fans, get ready to let your imaginations soar. The future is here, and it's more incredible than we ever imagined. With AI at the helm, we're embarking on a journey that will take us to the farthest reaches of the universe and beyond. Because the future isn't just bright, it's cosmic. It's a future where the wonders of the universe are within our grasp, where the impossible becomes possible, and where every day brings new discoveries and adventures. So buckle up and get ready for the ride of a lifetime as we explore the cosmos together, powered by the incredible energy of black holes and the limitless potential of AI.